Complete drying after Pesti application is essential because wet residue can transfer active ingredients to people and pets and can reduce the treatment's long-term effectiveness. When a Pesti Smart Pest Plan product is applied, the active compounds are intended to bind to surfaces and form a dry residue that continues to control pests. If the area remains wet, those compounds can be rubbed off onto skin, clothing, or paws, which increases the risk of accidental exposure and irritation. Proper drying also allows the formulation to adhere to insect pathways and resting sites so it can transfer to pests effectively. A wet film dilutes that contact and shortens residual control. To promote fast drying, use gentle airflow from open windows or fans set on low and avoid applying during high humidity or just before rain. Apply only the recommended amount and avoid overwetting cracks and crevices where excess liquid will pool and take longer to dry. Always verify dryness by touching a small, out-of-the-way spot with a gloved fingertip or a paper towel before allowing contact rather than relying on elapsed time alone. Common mistakes include re-entry too soon, which yields accidental exposure and ineffective control, so keep children and pets out until surfaces are fully dry and recheck high-traffic areas before permitting access. Another issue is applying during poor weather or high humidity, which prolongs drying and lowers performance, so schedule applications on dry days and use fans or dehumidifiers indoors to speed evaporation. A third problem is over-application, which leaves puddles and increases transfer risk, so measure products carefully, follow label rates, and distribute treatments in thin, even coats so they dry quickly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and compare quotes, making it easier to arrange safe, properly timed pest treatments. We also host a discussion community where we and other users exchange real-world tips on scheduling, drying times, and keeping families and pets safe during and after treatments.